In a momentous tweet a few days ago, tech visionary Elon Musk announced that his brain-machine interface company Neuralink has achieved a sci-fi milestone, conducting the first ever surgical implantation of an advanced brain-computer interface device into a human test subject. Calling it a promising first step, Musk revealed that Neuralink's revolutionary BCI has been successfully inserted into a patient's brain, marking the culmination of over 7 years of feverish research and development since the company's founding in 2016. So what exactly has Musk achieved here? Neuralink's goal has always been extraordinarily ambitious: to develop flexible, implanted devices that can monitor and stimulate brain activity, essentially creating a bidirectional link between the human brain and computers. The potential applications are incredible. By decoding neural signals from the brain, algorithms can potentially translate thoughts into digital commands to control computer devices or robotic limbs. And by electrically stimulating precise regions of the brain, it could one day restore sensory functions like vision in the blind or mobility in those paralyzed from spinal injuries. While the current human tests are focused more modestly on using the implant to help those paralyzed due to quadriplegia or ALS communicate better, Musk ultimately envisions his neurotechnology elevating human cognition to unprecedented heights and facilitating symbiosis with artificial intelligence. Could Neuralink's brain chips one day expand memory, enhance concentration, allow telepathic communication? For now, they remain the stuff of science fiction, but by successfully implanting the company's first BCI device into a human and demonstrating its ability to detect neuron spikes, this promising first step nudges that vision tantalizingly closer to reality. So, what does Neuralink's brain implant actually look like? Resembling a coin-sized computer chip, the flexible device features hair-thin polymer threads embedded with 1,024 electrode channels that are intended to monitor nerve cell activity in the brain. This thread component is precisely inserted into neural tissue by surgical robots that Neuralink custom-built for this purpose. Controlled by a surgeon, visually guides the thread's insertion using a high-precision needle, avoiding blood vessels while causing minimal damage to the brain. The electrode-studded threads then transmit neural signals wirelessly to receivers installed outside the head, which connect to computers for processing and data transfer. Another essential component of the system is the implanted neuropod, which packs processing power, wireless communication hardware, and battery power into a compact, hermetically sealed package placed below the skin behind the ear. Capable of wirelessly charging through the skin, this fully integrated neuropod handles onboard data processing and compression before relaying digital signals out to the external devices, like a phone or a computer. And crucially, all these implanted components have been designed to operate safely within the warm, delicate environment of the human brain over long periods without causing infection or traumatic injury. Because implanting an electronic device so intimately with neural tissue remains an incredibly challenging engineering problem, any infection or swelling can cause rapidly cascading damage. And also, if you want to learn more about Elon Musk's other innovations like Tesla's Optimus, then do watch the video about Optimus on our channel too. Coming back, according to Musk's tweet, the first implanted prototype seems to be functioning successfully so far, already capable of detecting identifiable neural spikes which convey essential signals for brain-computer interfaces to decode thoughts and commands. But many questions remain on how precisely the fragile electrode threads were inserted, what apps and interfaces have been tested by the participant, and what medical precautions are being taken going forward. As the coming weeks and months reveal more updates from Neuralink's ongoing human trials, this tantalizing peek into functional neural implants in the brain promises to wholly transform medicine and human-computer interaction in the years ahead. Brain-machine interfaces that not long ago were considered impossible sci-fi are now manifesting as reality thanks to the sheer drive and ambition of inventors like Elon Musk, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. But significant technological and medical hurdles still remain on the path to truly versatile bidirectional brain computing. Will Neuralink's human trials blaze a trail toward the enhanced, cybernetically enhanced humans of tomorrow? Time will tell in this upcoming frontier of neurotechnology research. Achieving this neurological milestone seemed fraught with obstacles for Musk and Neuralink. Implanting an electronic device safely and reliably within the highly delicate, uninsured environment of living neural tissue poses formidable engineering challenges. One complication in development could rapidly cause cascading trauma or immune system reactions. Understandably then, Neuralink's initial application to their test implant in human trials was reportedly rejected last year by the FDA, based on deficiencies related to potential overheating risk and unintended device movement once implanted. Being positioned mere millimeters from a living human brain accentuates the imperative for extreme safety precautions. But the company must have satisfied FDA stipulations and protocols with updates, prototypes, and trial protocols, because this May, Neuralink received the coveted green light to proceed towards their first 5 human implantations. Setting the stage for this watershed moment, Musk announced yesterday on Twitter. Their FDA-approved human trial, nicknamed Project Prime, plans to use customized hardware and software to study how well quadriplegic volunteers can leverage Neuralink's implant to operate digital devices. By conjuring mouse cursors, text input, and other computer controls purely through thought, Neuralink aims to help those with spinal cord injuries regain crucial communication and independence. And this goal of empowering voiceless, paralyzed patients still lies at the core of Neuralink's BCI technology. Beyond technological marvel of machine interfacing with mind, the promise to drastically improve lives by restoring communication abilities remains paramount. In this approved first stage of their human research program, Neuralink will focus intently on confirming that the implant's insertion and continued operation inside the brain tissue does not trigger concerning levels of inflammation, immune reactions, or swelling while monitoring baseline neural activity. Rigorous scrutiny will assess how precisely the robotic implantation surgery can embed electrode threads to optimally intercept firing neurons. The critical first metrics from Musk's announcements are promising neuron spike detection capabilities. Detecting these electrical spikes as the brain coordinates movement is the first step in decoding intentions for those robbed of limb function. However, details are lacking on exactly how well Neuralink's electrodes are detecting neural activity during tests. Were predictable spikes seen or intermittent, noisy patterns? Further technical unknowns persist. The key question is whether detected spikes could translate into intention-based controls like typing just by thinking. This could greatly empower quadriplegics, but managing expectations matters given our limited grasp of brain complexity currently. The focus should be improving lives for those with communication mobility disorders using this still nascent technology. As Musk celebrates, experts caution against oversimplifying the risks or ignoring key ethical hurdles around viability, safety, and responsible regulation needed before neural implants reach consumers.